Hi guys, over the years humans have made some incredible strides towards technological advancements. There seems to be no obstacle that the human mind can't overcome, which is both terrifying and incredible at the same time. It's what we do with that tech that's the determining factor. From machines that create bridges where there are none, to machines that tear down a forest with a few flicks of some joysticks. These are the 8 most useful machines that do incredible things. Number 1. SLJ900. As we know, the Chinese government is super fast in everything, thanks to the SLJ900 machine from a Chinese company called WMC. Now there is no excuse for corrupt politicians in delaying national developments and infrastructure projects. Although it is huge in size and weighs approximately 580 tons with 300 feet of total length and 24 feet wide, this mega machine is made to accelerate bridge constructions. The working mechanism for this machine is very simple. First, this machine has to be adjusted precisely with the next supporting platform by extending its hydraulic arms. Then another sliding support has to be attached with the same platform, and further the machine moves with larger girder blocks. Then it lowers the block at its accurate position, and this process is repeated again and again until the completion of this project. This SLJ900 is supported by a total of 46 wheels, which split up into 4 sections, meaning it has 16 wheels each. In addition, each section can rotate 19 degrees, enabling the entire machine to drive sideways. Why is bridge construction slow in your country? What do you think about it? Number 2. SystemMester TC50. The TC50 is an autonomous transport system by the German company Meister. This is a remotely controlled tracked chassis with a truck-mounted crane with an onboard platform, a carriage for carrying long loads, an excavator or a loader mounted on it. The main advantage of the SystemMester is the excellent cross-country ability of the track chassis. The prototype has been under development for more than 3 years before being released for production. The main task of the conveyor is to safely and efficiently transport cargo in the most difficult terrain and in the most adverse weather conditions at any time of the year. With its help, a wind generator was installed with half a meter of snow covered, and transformer stations for solar power plants were raised high in the mountains on unstable soils. The conveyor is developed on the basis of the TC50 multifunctional truck loader and has a carrying capacity of up to 50 tons. The SystemMester can operate as an off-road tractor for any semi-trailer of any load. Adapting the chassis enables transportation of modules for wind generators and mobile telecommunication towers, weighing up to 200 tons. Number 3. TigerCat 1075B. TigerCat is a powerful machine which is designed and manufactured for extreme roadways. It's powerful enough to transport wood up to its load capacity, which ranges from 15 to 20 tons. Thanks to its caterpillar track, it's capable of going anywhere. TigerCat has 2 highly resistant treadmill arms with robust blades located at the rear of the vehicle. Repairing the soil for replanting is generally referred to as scarification, which is the process of breaking up the untamed surface after the land has been harvested. These arms are used to break through the branches and leftover tops to expose the soil to more light and water to access the nutrients, which encourages strong, healthy root formation and boosts the productivity. Number 4. Multikey 3000. This new hydraulic combine is impressive for its functionality, shape and design. This pumpkin harvesting machine is equipped with a huge sifting cylinder composed of semicircular rods which guarantee high productivity. The cylinder crushes the pumpkin and sends it to the transporter. The conveyor in turn runs on heavy fuel engine and consists of a low wear belt with several layers of rubber and fabric in the collection compartment. In the collection compartment, a special mechanism rotates using a hydraulic system and allows for quick and trouble-free unloading. The advantages of this hydraulic machine, it's worth mentioning: the economical mode of operation, the electronic display control, and the high collection quality. Number 5. New Holland T7270. This tractor adapts perfectly to the changing needs of agriculture. It stands out for its small size, lightweight construction, and high performance. It should be noted that this machine has an impressive capacity of 228 horsepower, and if the owner wants to add a forced supercharging system, the tractor can develop a power of up to 277 horsepower. The excellent viewing angle makes working on the T7 less tedious. The two-stage automatic cap suspension reduces vibration with 25%. The movements of the vehicle is controlled at all times by a position sensor located on the seat. Number 6. Multipack C14. The C14 Multipack manipulation system is developed by the company Eskys. Thanks to that, you can now save the costs of labor and time, with respect to the traditional procedure, providing the significant benefit to the producer. The C14 Multipack incorporates an improved system for a continuous and constant working cycle of bale packing. Thanks to its design, it's very simple to operate. The operator has full control of this machine during its mechanical and operational simplicity. It is easy to understand their functions. Not only does the operator have enough comfort inside the cabin, but the outdoor visibility is great as well. A single operator is sufficient to carry out the entire process without the need for specialization. The C14 Multipack has various benefits such as less need for frequent adjustments, more work, and less time, and it's also adaptable to all types of small bullets, regardless of its size. Number 7. Eskys Event Cleaning. The Eskys Event Cleaning is a company specialized in cleaning event areas. Through the years of experience, they have also developed a unique method. Eskys Event Cleaning is an innovative company with its specially designed machines that get all the land at small or large events cleaned in the fastest way possible. This machine is the duality of a truck and a vacuum cleaner. With a large volume capacity, its operational speed is 10 miles per hour. This gives it enough speed to clean the given area. It has two massive suction tubes in front of the machine, and this allows it to collect waste of various sizes and different materials from the ground. The unloading process of collecting trash can be done in a matter of seconds. Just open the back port. Both actions are automatically performed and can be controlled from the driver's cabin. This machine can be used to clean fallen leaves on the streets. Number 8. Forced Mulcher Aui M650. Aui M650 is a new generation universal unit which provides ecologically effective and at the same time fast land cleaning as well as high quality soil cultivation. Aui M650 is designed for heavy and medium duty, is ideal for preparing large surfaces with different plants. The coupler can be installed on any vehicle carrier with an engine of 140 to 350 horsepower. It should be noted that the Aui M650 is able to immerse itself in the soil at a depth of up to 8 inches to remove the roots of plants already cut, and its edge is able to cope even with hardwood species. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and feel free to explore this channel to see something new. I'll see you guys again with some new innovations.